Welcome to our comparison video, where we will explore two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine boasts a significant capacity of 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger laundry loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is more suitable for smaller items and delicate fabrics. If you often find yourself with larger laundry needs, the Auertech may be the better option. When it comes to motor power, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine features a robust motor speed of 1300 RPM, ensuring efficient washing performance. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a less powerful motor, which may not deliver the same level of cleaning effectiveness. For those who prioritize washing power, the Auertech stands out. In terms of design, the Auertech is bulkier and heavier, making it less portable compared to the portable washing machine, which is lightweight and features a foldable designs. This makes the portable washing machine an excellent choice for those with limited storage space or who need a washer that can easily be transported. Consider your living situation and storage options when making your choice. To sum up, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine is ideal for larger loads and those who need more powerful washing capabilities, while the portable washing machine is perfect for smaller items and those with limited space. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.